Hi there everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. As we continue our C++ programming series, in this tutorial, we will create a program in C++ that will ask the user to give two integer number, and then our program will swap the arrangement of two numbers using C++ as our programming language. Before we continue, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, share, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. So we are already here in our deep C++ programming IDE, or Integrated Development Environment, where we write, test, and run our C++ program. One of the good things about using Dev C++ is that it is free. You can download this C++ compiler over the internet in the following web address here. It is free to use and easy to learn. Now, so let's go down to our tutorial. So I will write down here the title of our program, swap.cpp, or swapping of values, and then the author of this program, that's yours truly, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. Date: at the time of this recording, I wrote this October 14, 2019. That is Monday at 9:47 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. If you like to contact me, you can send me an email in this email address of mine, jkrpomperada@gmail.com. I will immediately reply to your email once I read it, and I have an internet connectivity also. So we will declare our library file IOStream. This library file is very essential to any C++ program because it will provide us the capability to use input-output statement in C++. Example of input command in C++ is cin, output is cout. So after that, using namespace std, and then we have here int main, the function, the starting point of our program execution. Now I will declare two variables, a equals 0, b equals 0. Okay, console out backslash, and then we have here the title of our program, backslash t, swapping of two numbers, the title of in C++, semicolon, console out, new line. So here we will ask the user to give two number, give two numbers. Okay, cin a, right shift operator b. This is for the input. Okay, so we have here console out, new line. We will display the arrangement of two numbers before the swapping will take place, no? So console out, horizontal tab T, we have the word before swapping, a equals a and b equals, okay, b. Okay, copy this one. So we have here the formula, no? So A equals A plus B, B equals A minus B, and A equals A minus B. Okay, so after swapping, what I'm trying to do is to copy this chunk of code, and then paste here. And then we have also here console out / end of program. That tells the user that program is already ended. Now, before we check for syntax error and run our program, let us recap the things that we have done in our code. So we have here the comment part of our program. We have here variable declaration A and B. In this portion, the title of our program, swapping of two numbers in C++. In this area, we will accept two input values from our user, represented by variable A and variable B. And then we will display the original arrangement of the two numbers. In this portion is the computation or exchange of values. And then here, after swapping, we'll display the rearrangement or swapping of values of variable A and B. So next step is we save our work, Ctrl S. We create a new folder. Let's say swapping of numbers. This is the title of our folder. Double click, and then we have here swapping.cpp. The file name is swapping, and then the extension is cpp. Click the save button, and then we compile our program to check if there is a syntax error. There is none. So let us proceed in the execution of our program. Okay, I cannot continue because there is I forgot horizontal tab in that particular side. Okay, so two numbers, let's say 10 and 20. Okay, so we have it. Before swapping, the value in variable A is 10, variable value in variable B is 20. After swapping, the variable value in variable A is already 20 and B is 10 in the program. Okay, so let us give another example. Compile and run. 100 and 300. Swapping of two numbers in C++. We give two numbers, 100 and 300. Enter. Before swapping, variable A has a value of 100, variable B is 300. After swapping, variable A has already the value of variable B, that is 300, and variable B, instead of 300, it becomes 100. And end of program that tells the user that the program is already done running. Before we end this video tutorial, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, share, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial so that I can improve my next and future video tutorials, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you very much guys for watching. I hope you have learned something new in our C++ programming series about swapping of two numbers using C++. Until to the next video tutorial, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines, says bye bye for now.